Yeah.
What's up, my PlayStation Vita follower? It's me, PS Vita King. Keep on playing PlayStation Vita. Let me know which is your favorite PlayStation Vita game. But today I am going to do an unboxing of a two-shooter game, which I only pay 24 bucks. Indeed, yes, I only pay 24 bucks. 24 US dollar, 12 around 10 bucks for the game, 2 bucks for the shipping. So 24 bucks total. These are the used game. Let me open the seal from here. It's open. So these are the two games: Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, Battlefield Hardline. This is a game. I normally don't buy a single console game after the PlayStation 2. I mean, when I upgrade to Xbox 360, when I don't bought, like, I bought few games at the launch, but after that I stopped buying. I always wait for a price drop. But this was the game I was looking to pick up for 59 bucks. But at the end of the day, I was very busy in my business, and then my wedding anniversary was near. If you don't know, I got married in 2014. You wanna see my honeymoon images? Really? Click here to watch my honeymoon images. So this is a game which I was really looking forward to it. Battlefield Hardline, my personal shooter, I mean modern style shooter. If you wanna know, my personal favorite World War II shooter is Call of Duty 3 and Man of Valor. Awesome games. My modern style shooter, my favorite game is Rainbow Six Vegas 1 and 2. I really like that game, but sadly the successor to it, Siege, do not have a single player games. I do not buy this shooter for multiplayer game. In my entire life, the single game for around 10 minutes I played on my Xbox 360 was Call of Duty World at War, only for 10 minutes. I don't like playing multiple games. I can play like locally with my friend if there's like a local co-op, but I can't play multiplayer. Number one reason, there are people better than me, can easily kill me. Number second reason, what is called camping. There is a lot of garbage, the trash gamer garbage, which are the camper, which just find a spot or a place to hide with their sniper and kill anyone. Are they stupidly mad? I will tell them go and get a job, to be honest with you. So at the end of the day, I buy games for single player. I do not play games multiplayer, period. That is how I am. I'm an old school guy. I really want to play a game against the computer AI. I really don't want to compete with a real person where there's like billion dumb person in a single server. I mean, overloading it. Anyways, that's my personal opinion. You can easily disagree with it. You can easily, that is really my personal opinion. I only buy games for the single player campaign. So according to my knowledge, it have a really very good single player game similar to 24-hour TV series. I love that TV series. And then I heard for this game is like the best story game ever. So these are the two games. By the time I will be uploading this video, I will be ready, had done the unboxing of the game, and then the gameplay of it. Also, I think I will be, if this game is like 10 hours long, I think I can easily beat within 1 week both games, so I can easily upload my review. Make sure to visit my PlayStation Vita King website. Not only that, it's PS Vita King. You can find the link in the description box below. Also, make sure to support me on Patreon. All my Patreon supporters, you can feel free to ask any question. I will be making a video format for each question. Number 2, why not show your love for the PlayStation Vita by buying some PlayStation Vita shells? I mean, if you really are a huge fan of PlayStation Vita, make sure to buy, yes, these are PlayStation 4 game. I think PlayStation 4 content can easily upload on this PlayStation Vita channel with absolutely no problem. They can go with hand in hand, I mean like a companion. That's all I can say. Keep playing the PlayStation Vita. Bye.